If you're struggling with being focused, one app that I recommend to start organizing your time better and focusing on being intentional about your work is Sunsama. It has a feature that is called Focus, where whenever you start a task, you kind of push play and it will stop your screen so that you can only see what you're working on. So this is how it works. Let me show you. Here is Sunsama, where I plan all the things that I want to get done today. I can change the order and define how many minutes I want to spend on each thing, 2 hours, 45 minutes, or 1 hour. And all I have to do is push play here when I see the planned time, and it will estimate the actual time. So when I push play here, the whole screen will go to focus only on this task. So whatever I'm doing, I will always be able to see this and will help me stay focused on one thing at a time. You'll still get messages if you allow that to happen, or you can block your notifications so that that doesn't bother you either. Well, I hope this works and you start using Sunsama soon. Bye-bye.